Hello, this is a quick video tutorial to show you how to upload your essay for the AP Lang exam. Select the Paste Response option, then click on your Google Doc or your Word tab, and you can use Control-A to highlight everything and then Control-C to copy it. Then go back to your Test tab and use Control-V to paste it. And then it'll tell you Continue, you click Continue, and then you click Submit. Click on Attach Response, then click on Attach Text File, then click on Browse for File. Then it should be under your downloads. Click Downloads if you don't see it. It should be the very first one at the top. It'll have the date and time. And then you have to click Open, and then you can click Submit. Go to Attach Response, Attach Photos, Attach a Photo, and it's going to open up your downloads. Should be the very first one at the very top. If you don't see it, click on Downloads. And you know it's the one at the very top because it'll have the date and time. Select the picture. Then you're going to click on Open. And then you're going to click on Submit.